Test 70, game number 2, question 10 asks us if y is not selected, all of the following could be selected except. So in this case, there's going to be 4 that could be, and we'll call it could be selected this time, and 1 that must not be selected. Sorry, these are weird acronyms I've written down over here. I probably should not have written those. Let's just get rid of them. Makes it more difficult than it needs to be. So, if y is out, let's go ahead and bring up our limited options. And in our first limited option, you'll notice right off the bat that y is in, so we don't need to consider this one. In our next limited option, we can place y in the out column. So what we're trying to figure out is, of these answer choices, which ones could be selected and which one could not be selected. So let's just go through them one at a time. Answer choice A, could we select Z? Well, Z is a floater, so it always seems like a safe bet. But what would the other 3 be? Well, we could go with our PST combo according to this rule. And if P, S, T, and Z are all in, and we look at our triggers, well, we've already met this requirement. We've already met, well, we can meet this requirement. If P is in, we can say M is out. And none of the rest of these trigger. So Z looks fine. Notice we've already done a lot of the work for ourselves here, so let's look at the rest of our answer choices. If Y is out, T could be in, P could be in. O we didn't place in this game, notice. And O in this particular situation was a floater. You'll notice that at the very end here, because we had P in, it forced M out, right? But O could have been placed right here, and all that would have done is reconfirm the fact that M is out. So O could be in, M cannot be in. And that answers this question.